InnerScope Hearing Technologies is using technology to provide better hearing aids and also cheaper solutions of people who have hearing impairments. And with me again, the CEO, Matthew Moore of InnerScope. So great to see you again. Always look forward to these updates.
Great to be here. I appreciate you having me on.
So how has COVID impacted the hearing aid market? What impact did it have on your business in particular?
Yeah, no, absolutely. I mean, COVID really has affected the whole industry as a whole. You think about it, the average age of a hearing aid wearer right now is around 71, 72. So that's really in the heart of the people that are affected by COVID the most. But the average age of a person when they start realizing they have a hearing loss is in their early 60s. So still very much in that danger zone for COVID. And the current hearing aid market, which is about a $5 billion industry in the United States, and is roughly 98% of that is still through local brick and mortar professionals. Less than 2% is direct to consumer. And that's what we offer is direct to consumer hearing health products. And that's where, the industry wasn't really in the mode to do remote programming, wasn't really set up for remote telehealth. So that's what really gave us the opportunity to really kind of explore and develop that with some retail partners and distribution partners, and refine our technology to really offer those solutions. I mean, InnerScope, we were affected by COVID as well. At that time, we had over 11 retail hearing aid centers, audiological brick and mortar centers. We had to, unfortunately, make that tough decision to kind of close those down due to COVID. But then we were able to pivot our way to a fully 100% direct to consumer channel. Where, we during COVID, we, focused on paying our employees and taking care of our customers that we had. So we, during that time, our filings with the public company kind of went dark for a little bit. We're solving that. We have a whole new accounting team. We're uploading our filings and disclosures on almost a daily basis. So we're going to be current any minute now. So it is a great time for us to kind of really start growing and kind of really start helping the hearing impaired with our remote health services.
Mm-hmm. And as we emerge from this pandemic, and I know we've talked before about the solutions that you offer, the problems in the current hearing aid market and the solutions that InnerScope has for those problems.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I mean, hearing aids are the most common treatment for hearing loss, but the biggest problem is that people don't know they have a hearing loss. The awareness is the biggest issue. So that's what we've developed with our distribution partners, a free self-test hearing screening kiosk. This is where it's like a blood pressure monitoring station, like the Higgy Health stations or the Pursuant Health stations that you see at Walmart or CVS or Rite Aids around this country. So that way a person can walk up to our kiosk within 5 minutes, they can test their hearing. And then if they have a hearing loss, they're told they have a hearing loss and they're pointed into a solution. And really it comes down to that if they need a hearing aid, our kiosk will tell them, this InnerScope product would help you, or they would be directed to a local hearing health professional. Because that's the idea, is that awareness is the biggest reason why 40 plus million Americans and over 50 million people in North America suffer from hearing loss today and are not getting any hearing help whatsoever. So awareness is key. And that's what InnerScope is bringing. Rising tides lifts all boats. And so that's our objective, is to activate, let's say, millions and millions of people that are there ready to buy a hearing product, but aren't fully aware they have a hearing loss. And
then finally, just kind of update us again on what makes your products different than competitors.
Yeah, so basically our products offer similar technology, similar feature sets as the ones you would buy like at a local Miracle Ear or a local Beltone or a local hearing aid center. But our products are about 75% less cost for the similar technology. Plus, ours offers free remote programming services. Up to a year of free remote programming services for our products. So that way, we can ship the products directly to your home. You can, using the app, you can self-test. You can also self-adjust these products, as well as connect with our licensed hearing health professional here based in Sacramento, California. And then we can actually program the devices anywhere in the world for you. So that is where our products are different, as well as kind of similar to the ones you can get at a local medical professional office, but at a 75% reduced cost. So that's the reason why our products are really, really are different, but also similar at that savings.
Okay, well, thank you, Matthew. Always great to see you, and I look forward to updates. And